leadership में वो book, the book reading part was good. I didn't know Mudit was a keen reader, but yes, that is one aspect I found out from the program, that Mudit is a keen reader. So hopefully he'll continue. That is what is required for future success. Reading is a must.
I think Mudit जब leadership coaching कर रहा था, that very moment I didn't really find a lot of use for it. Means I couldn't fathom कि वो क्या difference आ रहा है, but I could see it over the years. So now one thing that came across is Rahul told us that Mudit doesn't initiate any kind of arguments or quarrels, or he's not argumentative. He'll just do his work and he'll just let it be. If somebody else is argumenting or something, he'll just take a side seat. He'll not be in the spotlight. He doesn't like to be too much in the spotlight. But when something of his concern, of his topic is being discussed, then he's very active. So that is something I have also observed over the years, that yes, he doesn't like to, initiate arguments or get into quarrels, or, like for our elder son, Soham, it is quite the opposite. He's the kind of person who will get into arguments. He likes to, constantly bug his mentors, and not in a bad way, in a good way, in an inquisitive way. But yes, Soham is the kind of person who will, ask lots and lots of questions, and his mentors are always telling me, even his school teachers are always telling me that is Soham's traits. He'll continuously ask a lot of questions, but in a good way, not being rude. But for Mudit, we learned that yes, that is not the case with Mudit. Mudit likes to do his work, and if he doesn't understand anything, he'll quietly go and ask the mentor, not get into any kind of discussions and arguments and all of that. So yeah.
For me, the leadership coaching mostly उसमें मेरी हेल्प की लाइक नॉर्मल लाइफ स्किल्स इम्प्रूव करने में. रीडिंग का इंटरेस्ट, एज पापा सेड, इट हेल्प मी डेवलप अ वेरी गुड रीडिंग स्पीड. इट रिवाइव्ड माय इंटरेस्ट फॉर बुक्स. बीच में बहुत चला गया था, बट देन मेरे को वापस हैबिट आई रीडिंग की. एंड देन मेरी अलग अलग इवन मोर लाइफ स्किल्स, लाइक डिलीवरिंग नेगेटिव न्यूज फॉर एग्जाम्पल, which we did in the very first session of leadership, but that is something I'll remember and I'll use for every time for the rest of my life. That is a very essential thing. And बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसे. This is just one thing.
Also, leadership helped him to increase his emotional quotient. So, pehle he was not very good with emotions, and now he's a very good emotional support also.
As far as Mudit is concerned, he was pretty clear. He wanted to go into which stream, commerce or science. But the only thing is, whatever career counseling we took, it only crystallized. It helped us to, crystallize
streamline
and reaffirm it more forcefully. Ke Mudit ke liye, I think that is the route he has to take for his career.
So in the back of our minds, we knew that he is going to go for commerce, or he's more of a finance person because he loves his numbers, he loves his maths and everything. But by doing that career counseling, our faith was reassured. We were like, okay, he's going in the right direction.
And also helped me like discover new colleges like IPMAT. We usually don't think of it, but through your career counseling, pata chala like ki IIMs mein also you can do undergrad. Pehle se straight after 12th you could go into IIM, and I'm still preparing for IIM. I'm giving my IPMAT Indore exam in May. That is for IIM Indore.
As far as parents are concerned, there are a lot of confusing options. A lot of options are there, so those choices leads to paralysis. And actually pata nahi chalta ki what are the right career options here. So there is a desperate need for a good career counselor, which we were fortunate enough to come across you. So that is a good reassurance always at the back of our mind ki agar kuch we are stuck somewhere, we'll definitely get a good counsel for the future, whatever future trajectory we need to take for the kids. So that is a very good reassurance for each one of us.
For me, it was like I had heard a lot of horror stories about career counselors. Ki sometimes career counselors, just to fulfill their, margins or targets or whatever, they are taking students the wrong way just to earn their commissions. And also, मुझे तो बहुत ही डर लगता था career counseling से. That concept didn't work for me. But then we came across Rahul, and एक दो session में we could gauge कि okay, he is the type of person who will give you the options and just take a back seat. He is not a very pushy person. वो ऐसे नहीं है कि आपको पीछे पीछे पड़े ही रहेंगे आप कि नहीं मैम आप अभी अप्लाई करो, अब यही स्ट्रीम अच्छी है ये. He will give you all the options. He will do all the evaluation. There will be proofs of the evaluation, and then he'll give you the options and leave it at that. And he's also very good in convincing the child and the parents both. जहाँ भी blockage आ रहा है. So sometimes the parents are the blockage for the child's career, and sometimes the child himself may be the blockage. But he's very good in अच्छी तरह से समझा देते हैं, so that we don't have any doubts in our mind. And best part is not being pushy, not being very persuasive. He'll give the options and take a back seat. That is what I liked about Rahul?
What I liked was when I was still confused in recent times, I was still confused कि ये college में apply तो कर रहा हूँ, but is it really worth it? पहले तो options कर लिए, but then afterwards it was like एक में admission हो गया, तो क्या अभी भी इसमें जाना चाहिए, इसमें जाना चाहिए? I was very confused, and then when I called you, you still explained to me जैसे पहले से एकदम शांति से, very patiently, you gave me references for different colleges, new courses, and then you asked me कि तुझे exactly क्या करना है. As mummy said, you were not pushy at all. You gave me कि हाँ ये options है. I feel like this is good for you, but of course तेरा decision है. You have to see what is there.
Yeah, so you have been more like a friend to my children, both my children, more than being just a career counselor. So there were times when both my children call you rather than discussing with us. They'd always feel more comfortable calling you and asking whatever their inner doubts are. And you were patient enough to clear them all.
Your counseling should be under Essential Services Act.
Actually, truly.
ESMA बोलते हैं ना, Essential Services government का होता है ना, shortage of services, so it should be considered under.
Genuine career counselors, I'm honestly saying this because I as a mother have really experienced this कि बहुत horror stories होती है career counselors के बारे में. But with Rahul, we never faced that, and that was the best part. I think that is why we are sticking with you.